As you can see, Apple gives us a whole lot of tools for monetizing our apps. In this part, we really dug deep. First, you learned about how to persist purchases and how to leverage security mechanisms in iOS. Remember, when doing anything with in-app purchases, security is a top concern. Users run jailbroken phones where they can access and modify the files on those devices. Keep that in mind when implementing your in-app purchases. Next, you learned how to manage consumables and then how to manually test your in-app purchases. After which, we incorporated unit tests with our app. With StoreKit configuration files, you can almost unit test every aspect of your in-app purchases. Finally, we touched on refunds in the previous episode. As more and more apps move to a payment model built on in-app purchases, learning the StoreKit API is essential to being a competent iOS developer. This course gave you an overview of the fundamentals, but where to next? First, I suggest you check out the relevant tutorials on our website, essentially the ones having to do with subscriptions, which we did not cover here. And Apple hosts a variety of WWDC videos which cover in-app purchases and StoreKit in detail. These are accessible from their developer app. Check out the in-app purchase and subscription category for a full list of useful videos. Last but not least, definitely take a look through the StoreKit documentation, human interface guidelines, and App Store review docs as well. They are really the best place to see what is and is not possible, both from a technical standpoint and in terms of app review. For example, the documentation will show you what content you can host on Apple servers. It's better to know about any roadblocks at the start of development versus having to rewrite your app and maybe business plan at the end of development. And with that, I wish you good luck with your apps and integrating purchases into them. I hope this course helped you along the way. Thanks for watching.